As the city lights shimmered on the bustling streets of New York, the red carpet was unfurled and anticipation hung in the air. The premiere of Fly Me to the Moon was more than just a cinematic event. It was a night where fashion met film in a dazzling display of style and elegance. At the center of this glittering affair stood Scarlett Johansson, radiating glamour and poise in an ensemble that was nothing short of spectacular. A timeless ensemble. Picture this: Scarlett Johansson stepping onto the red carpet, the cameras flashing as she reveals a stunning Prada outfit that captures the essence of timeless beauty. The ensemble, a gingham-printed crop top and column skirt, was a masterful blend of classic and contemporary. With its shimmering pink trim, the look was an homage to the sophisticated fashion of the 1960s, yet perfectly tailored for today's modern muse. The crop top, sleeveless and high-necked, drew attention to Johansson's graceful silhouette, while the column skirt, cinched at the waist, emphasized her figure with effortless elegance. A daring split up the back of the skirt added not just ease of movement, but a hint of playful allure. This outfit was more than just clothing. It was a statement of style, meticulously crafted and flawlessly executed. The Glam Squad. Behind every iconic red carpet moment is a team of creative geniuses. For this premiere, hairstylist David Von Cannon and makeup artist Huang Vongo worked their magic. Von Cannon's decision to sweep Johansson's hair up and back, with a few wispy strands framing her face, added a sense of effortless grace to her look. Vongo's deep pink lip color mirrored the shimmering trim of her outfit, creating a harmonious balance that was both bold and sophisticated.
I love
your gosh, hi!
Scarlett.
Hey, how are you?
I love your outfit
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Tell us what you're wearing.
I am wearing Prada.
This
Prada
is
head to
stunning.
toe. Thank you. And my taffin earrings.
These are
have to
absolutely
showcase them.
gorgeous. And you're
Thank
gorgeous.
You. Thank you.
You have such incredible skin.
Thank you so much.
Tell us, what is the secret behind having incredible skin like you?
Obviously the Outset products.
The Outset.
The Outset products.
Do you have it on deck to show us?
Yes, we have it on deck to show us.
Show us.
Here you go.
This
This
is
is our micellar
how many
cleanser.
steps is it?
3 steps.
3 steps,
Cleanse,
that's it.
prep, moisturize.
I love it.
There you
Well,
go.
may we all have beautiful skin like you.
Oh, please.
And one
You're
last
doing really
thing.
good.
What's your favorite fragrance?
My favorite fragrance is probably, I would say Terre by Hermes.
Wow, I have to try it. Love you, Scarlett.
To complete the look, Johansson donned sparkling diamond drop earrings that caught the light with every turn of her head. Her choice of metallic open-toe stiletto sandals from Prada was the perfect finishing touch, adding a subtle shine that complemented the overall elegance of her attire. A picture of elegance. Walking beside her was her husband, Colin Jost, who matched her sophistication in a casual yet refined navy blue Prada suit. His printed light blue shirt added a splash of personality, making the couple a vision of coordinated style and grace. Fashion takeaway. Scarlett Johansson's Prada ensemble is a masterclass in blending classic style with modern flair. The high-neck crop top and cinched waist column skirt offer a timeless silhouette, while the shimmering pink trim and metallic sandals add a contemporary twist. This look is a testament to the power of understated elegance, perfect for those looking to make a sophisticated yet memorable statement. Stay tuned to Splengo Fashion for more red carpet highlights and endless style inspiration.